What I wish I knew about dogs that they're not just pets, but real-life heroes too. On December 28, 2024, a terrifying incident unfolded in St. Petersburg, Florida. A 3-year-old boy was playing in his fenced backyard when 36-year-old Ron Lee Klein Jr. entered through a gate and tried to kidnap him. But this sinister plot was foiled thanks to the family dog. When Klein grabbed the child's arm and attempted to pick him up, the vigilant dog began barking furiously. This alarmed a nearby family member who chased after Klein, yelling, causing him to release the child and flee. St. Petersburg police quickly apprehended Klein, who now faces charges of attempted kidnapping and trespassing. The community has rallied in praise of the heroic dog. Social media erupted with gratitude and relief. One commenter exclaimed, "Get that dog a steak." Another shared, "Dogs can be such loyal protectors. It's amazing how instinctual their behavior can be in dangerous situations." This incident reminds us not just of the dangers that can lurk even in the safety of our homes, but also of the incredible loyalty and protective instincts of our furry friends. Here's to our four-legged heroes who prove time and time again that dogs are truly man's best friend. Stay safe, everyone, and give your pets an extra hug tonight.